Alright boys, me and Sam are out looking for a spot to fish real quick. We got Sam here. But look at, familiar spot. Unbelievably, the life jacket is still there. Obviously it's hooked onto something good. Hopefully it's not a body. It doesn't look like, it looks like a big tree. Alright. Alright guys, me and Sam found a spot we're gonna try. We're up here on Michigan Street, I believe. Or Bridge, one of the two, I'm not sure, but we got a scooter out of here. I can see a shopping cart and a scooter way over there. There's some concert going on down here, so it is packed, but...
Is it a concert?
Yeah. I don't know who it is. Alright, we're getting ready to throw our first one in. I'm going to use my Kratos 360 magnet. Sam, what do they do if they want a good magnet?
I don't know.
Go to Kratos and put in what? Fikus 12.
Yeah, Fikus 12.
To get 12% off. Why? Because Kratos are the best magnets, aren't they?
Yeah.
Sweet. Alright. Sent Sam to go get the other magnet because I'm hooked onto something and it keeps coming up, but it's too heavy, so we need 2 magnets. I believe it's a safe door, but I'll show you if we get it. Deuces. All right, here we go. We got the Titan 360 hooked up and the 1400 Athena clamp, both hooked together. I'm gonna hand the phone off to Sam and he's gonna video me as I pull it. Hopefully I'll get it. So just keep it on me until we get up close, okay, Sam?
Okay. On your face or on the
It don't matter, wherever. I'm gonna try to pull both at the same time.
You think we're getting it this time?
We hope so. Whatever it is, we hope so. I got it pretty good. So come to the other side of me, Sam. Come to the other side.
I am. I'm to this side.
Okay.
Left.
Here it comes. I'm not sure what it is. It's big.
We'll just drop it at the last moment. And
Hope not. Might be a cash register, dude.
yeah, that's what I said. That's what I said. I thought it is. What is that?
I don't know what it is. Let's see.
Do not drop that.
Oh, it's a computer tower. Oh, it's a PlayStation.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's a PlayStation. Check it out.
Nears, can I go up?
Yeah, it's a PlayStation. Nice. See that?
It's in there. Dude, imagine there's a game in there.
No, there's no games or anything, but that's cool. It's a freaking
We
PlayStation.
should get this cleaned up. We're going to get this cleaned
That's
up.
awesome.
Probably like a PlayStation 1.
Sweet.
2, 3.
Yeah, it's one of the first ones. Sweet.
Okay.
Nice. Me and Sam came down to this side of the bridge. I don't know if we're gonna get it all. We got a cart, we got a line bike way out there, we got another cart here, something orange over there, and something white right there, and a bunch of crap down here. So
That's a scooter.
we'll see. I think there's like 2 or 3 scooters here. See if we can get in later. A helper to get this cart up. Ready? Oh, you came off. Much lighter with 2 people. Yeah. I got it if you can grab it. No. Alright, I'm gonna go right next to it. Alright. Ready, go. Nice. Nice. Woo. Look at that, Sam. What's your name? Jeremy. This is Sam.
Hey, Sam.
My YouTube channel is Fikus and Toast. What we do is go around cleaning up, getting stuff out. We got this PlayStation out of there earlier.
PlayStation?
Yeah, it's all messed up though. I don't think we're gonna get the other two.
Toast, last pull of the day.
What do we got here, buddy? A little bit on the big side. It's our last pull. There we go. A couple chodes of rebar. Sweet! See you on the greasy side. Me and Sam's down here magnet fishing. Just a little update. Lindsay and Robert are gone. So let's hope they got the help they need, because the last time I talked to them, they still hadn't figured nothing out yet. They were still pregnant and still looking for some help. So they're gone though. So see that? Their whole spread is gone. And it was just 2 weeks ago I came back and checked on them. They were doing all right, but they were still looking for a better spot. So hopefully Lindsay and Robert are good. Boys, so we're at home. Max had to come out and see our score. Now he's all mad because it's not a PlayStation, but what it is, Xbox 360. That's cool. And we got us a shopping cart and a whole bunch of other crap in there. Pipes and bars and rebar and a bunch of this crap here. So, what do you say, Max? 3